Hello, I am Professor Deepak Bhoge. Welcome you all in my concept channel. In this video, I will talk about refrigeration and its unit. Now first we will see the definition of refrigeration. Refrigeration is defined as the process of achieving and maintaining a temperature below that of the surrounding. Now in this diagram we can see we have to control the room temperature below that of the atmosphere, so for which we have to reject some amount of heat into the atmosphere. Now this refrigeration is shown by the block diagram like this, where T2 is the temperature which we have to maintain below that of the atmosphere. So this is our requirement. For doing so, Q2 amount of heat is taken out from this closed space, and that will be rejected into the atmosphere. So for this purpose, some W amount of work is provided to operate this machine. So this is called as a refrigeration system. Now this refrigeration system or its cooling effect is measured in terms of ton of refrigeration, or simply it is called as a ton, and it is denoted by a letter TR. So this refrigeration or cooling effect is measured in terms of a TR, and it is defined as the rate of production of a cold at which 1 US ton of water, that is 2000 lbs or 907 kg, gets converted into ice in 24 hours at a 32 degree Farad or 0 degree Celsius. To understand this definition in detail, we have given here one block diagram. Now in the first block diagram, we can see ice is taken at a 0 degree Celsius temperature having 907 kg weight. Now when this ice is kept in a room, and in 24 hours, if gets converted into the water, there is a phase change from solid to the liquid. But that water we have to convert it into the 0 degree Celsius temperature. Now during this process, ice absorbs some amount of heat. That heat is called as a cooling effect. So we are getting means from the surrounding of this ice, it will absorb the heat, and the surrounding of ice gets cooled. That is called as a cooling effect. This cooling effect is measured in terms of a ton of refrigeration. Now what is a ton of refrigeration, and how it gets converted into the SI unit, so that we will see. Before that, we will see the difference between ton and ton. So both ton and ton are the units of weight. A ton is a British and American measure of weight, which is equal to 2000 pounds or 907 kg. And a ton is a metric measure of weight, which is equal to 1000 kg. And because of this difference, we are not able to understand. Generally we take TON ton and ton, both are the same, but in British and American measures, ton has a weight 907 kg, but in metric ton it has 1000 kg. And because of this, some books have also made some mistakes while converting this unit into the kilowatt. Now here, if you calculate the latent heat absorbed by the ice, we know that latent heat absorbed by the ice is 335 kilojoule per kg. Okay. Now when this ice gets converted from 0 degree Celsius ice to the 0 degree Celsius water, there is some transfer of heat that is calculated with the help of this formula, mass into latent heat divided by time. Now mass of ice is 907 kg and the latent heat is around 335. Divided by time, we have taken 24 hours, and that is converted into the second, so it is multiplied by 3600. And after calculating this, we are getting 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.516 kilojoules per second or kilowatt. When we convert this kilojoules per second into kilojoules per minute, so we have to multiply it by 60. So 3.516 into 60. So we are getting 210 kilojoule per minute. So finally 1 ton of refrigeration we can call it as a 210 kilojoule per minute or 3.5 kilojoules per second or kilowatt. This is the unit of the refrigeration, and it is measured in a TR, and that 1 TR gets converted into 3.516 kilowatt or 210 kilojoules per minute. Let us see one MCQ on this. 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to. So this question was asked in IS and many competitive exam. So this is very simple. Just now we have seen the conversion. 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to, so 3.5 kilowatt. So first option is correct. Second questions. Refrigeration plant produce cooling effect of 70 kilowatt, which is equivalent to. Now we have to convert kilowatt into the ton of refrigeration, and we know this conversion. 1 ton of refrigeration is a 3.5 kilowatt. Then 1 kilowatt is equal to 1 divided by 3.516 TR. So 70 divided by 3.516, that after calculating we are getting it is a 19.9 TR. So 70 kilowatt is equivalent to the 19.9 TR. Now these are the references used.